In this tutorial, we're going to demonstrate how to create template diagrams from our existing node and relationship templates. We have NodeEra running here, and first thing we're going to do is open a connection. We'll connect to the World Cup database. This is a Neo4j database that's running in their sandbox environment. And if you like, you could create this exact same database yourself. So here we're looking at the Schema tab. In a previous video, we created a project which we called World Cup, and we reverse engineered the database so that we could discover all of the node templates and relationship templates. So we're opening that up and taking a look at it. In a different video, we talked about how to create an instance diagram that explores the existing data. And we use this diagram to illustrate to people using actual nodes and relationships from the database. We can illustrate the structure of the database. But this doesn't really get at the design or the data model. And to do that, we want to create a template diagram. So let's go ahead and add a new diagram. I'm going to call this one person. Now, template diagrams, it's generally a good idea to make them subject area oriented. And so I want to start with the person node type. And what I'm going to do is simply drag person onto the diagram surface. And there I have it. So now I have the person node template on the diagram, and you can see the labels are at the top, the properties are below, and this is the name that we've given to the template itself. Now we can explore this just like we explored the instance data. If I right-click on here, I can see my inbound relationships. There are none. Or I can look at my outbound relationships, so which we have several. So let's just go ahead and pick one, coach for. So a person is a coach for a squad. And there now we have the coach for relationship template and the squad template on our diagram. We can go ahead and do this again. They're also in a squad. So we see that a person can have more than one relationship type going to a squad node type. Now, besides doing the right-click approach, we can drag relationship templates onto the diagram just like we did the node template. So a person played in a match. And we can see that the played in relationship actually has two templates. So let's bring that one out here. So a team plays in a match as well. Going back to the right-click method, we see that a player represents a team, and we see that a player scores goals. So now we've created a diagram that does a pretty nice job of describing the person and all of the different node types that that person's related to. So we can see a person is coaches for a squad, is in a squad, a person plays in games, scores goals in games, and represents a team. So that's it. That's how you create a diagram from your existing templates. And once again, you would probably want to have a lot of diagrams, one for each different subject area. There's another tutorial video that will describe in detail how to create a node template and a relationship template. So I would encourage you to watch that video as well.